Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is WEF Annual Meeting 2024. The 54th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum began in Davos, Switzerland, and will take place from 15th to 19th January 2024. It will convene leaders from government to business and civil society to address the state of the world and discuss priorities for the year ahead. It will provide a platform to engage in constructive, forward-looking dialogues and help find solutions through public-private cooperation. Let us look into its highlights. The theme of the conference is Rebuilding Trust. The theme emphasizes the focus on exploring the opportunities enabled by the new technologies and their implications on decision-making and global partnership. More than 2,800 leaders from across the globe will gather for the 5-day event. It involves discussions on various political, business, cultural, and other issues concerning world society. More than 60 heads of state and governments will be present. The 30th Crystal Awards will be presented. Issues related to climate change, threats from artificial intelligence, economic issues, and other problems being across the globe will be discussed. Ongoing conflicts like the Ukraine war and Israel-Hamas war will also be part of the agenda. Let us now know about World Economic Forum. It is an international organization for public-private cooperation. It engages the foremost political, business, cultural, and other leaders of society to shape global, regional, and industry agendas. It was established in 1971 as a not-for-profit foundation and is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. It is independent, impartial, and not tied to any special interest. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, what is the theme of the 54th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum 2024? Your options are Globalization 4.0, Stakeholders for a Cohesive and Sustainable World, Rebuilding Trust, or Creating a Shared Future in a Fractured World. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content.
For more informative content, like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.